Welcome back everyone. Today I will unbox and review some gaming gear. This is a wireless gaming headset from Tronsmart. We have had some great Bluetooth speakers from this manufacturer. Let's see how their gaming headset stacks up. These are wireless headphones with a microphone, but not Bluetooth. This should solve some popular issues that are common among Bluetooth headsets. Frequently, the audio delay and microphone quality are the most common ones. Let's see what we get in the package. Safely packaged in a reinforced cardboard box. Here's the manual with some illustrations. Headphones are wrapped in plastic, but I will start with accessories. We have a couple of wires in the box, a Type-C cable for charging, and an auxiliary cable for the wired mode, I guess. Here's the microphone. With a foam attachment. Looks like a standard size for the foam accessory. Here is the wireless receiver that you attach to the computer. It is sized like an ordinary thumb drive, and it works at 2.4 GHz. And here are the headphones. I will take them out of the plastic. The design right away resembles a gamer setup. You can see some places for the lighting and some color accents on the headband. In the lower section you can see all the controls and the microphone jack as well. The size can be configured even for the largest heads. But the construction feels very stiff. I will attach the microphone. It can be attached on the left side. The microphone positioning is very loud. You can hear the creaking sounds. I will power them on and start my testing process.
1 week later.
After a week of testing, I got very interesting results. While using them, I ran into several issues, and I understood that this headset is for a small group of consumers. For me, this is not a product that I would buy. I like a lot of Tronsmart products, mostly because of their price and performance. Their Bluetooth speakers are excellent, but these headphones are clearly not for me. You can connect them to your PC and no additional installation is needed. Just turn them on and pair them with the receiver by pressing the mute button, and it connects right away. Well, here are the issues with them, which might be what others are looking for. They are very bass heavy. If you enjoy a lot of bass, and I mean a lot, then these are the headphones for you. For me, it was too much and I could not enjoy the highs and mid-range. In games, when there are explosions, this is excellent, but still not for me. The main issue was the microphone. It's very quiet. I had to boost it to the max for my teammates to be able to hear me. Also, in Discord, the same issue. The pros for this headset are the low latency connection and the bass and loudness as well. I could not play them at the max volume, it was too much for me. Low latency is a great feature for gaming gear. There were no delays and I could hear my enemies when they were closing in on me. Another feature is the wired mode, but I could not find any reason why would you use it, because in wired mode the microphone is not working. And the headset works about 11 hours on battery, so the wired mode is pretty pointless. In conclusion, I can say that this product is not for me. If you like huge bass and enjoy to play games at high volume, then you should consider these. For others, you should find something else. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video. There are many reviews planned, so you should consider subscribing as well. See you in the next videos. Good luck everyone.